Hello guys, good morning. So yesterday we were facing some compilation or build issues. So it's not showing up the relation in the front end. So I deleted that. I deleted those tables and then created a much more neat example. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, copy. So here we have two tables, vehicle and vehicle model manufacturer. Let's see what this does. Open. So it's the other way around. Okay, here we have a Tata. Here we have Tata cars table, vehicles table, and we have relevant models here. We have relevant models here. Punch, Nexon, Harrier, Safari, Indica, and the launch year. Whereas in the vehicle, I would like to restrict. I would like to see if I select Tata here. I'd like to see all the models related to Tata. I want to restrict that. Okay, if I price some 1 3 lakhs. Suppose if I this is the requirement actually. Primary key violation. This is the requirement actually. If I select Mahindra, there you won't see because I have created only relation for Tata. Let's see how this actually works. Manufacturer. See here, guys. So we have two table. Let me explain this again. Whiteboard. No. Normal relation. Okay. Here, this is a table. Tata. And we have another table. Mahindra. Another table. Hyundai. These are the source tables. Source tables means these tables will have tables data related to their respective companies. And this is the kind of table where you will select data from the primary tables. That means here you will say have some columns. If you select Tata, Tata related models should be shown in the lookup. And if you select Mahindra, Mahindra related model vehicle should be showed up in the lookup. Like what? If you select Tata related model should be shown here. If you select Mahindra, so if you select Mahindra, Mahindra related model should be shown here. Here we haven't done Mahindra. Let me add Mahindra. I'll simply, to save time, I'll simply copy and paste the table, already existing table. So that you'll get all the columns and everything. I'll just rename the table. Properties. Just here itself, rename it. Um, F2. ANG Mahindra. ANG Mahindra. That's it, we created the table. And also we'll create another two tables. And okay, just copy that again. Control C, Control V, Control V. Control C, Control V. F2, ANG, V, die. Okay, and F2, G. We just created three more tables so that we have to show lookup for those additional company models in the drop down. Just build it. Okay, meanwhile, let's again understand here. So, in the vehicles table, user selects the manufacturer. So, the model should be displayed according to the selected manufacturer. That's the requirement here. If you select the Tata, all the models in the Tata table should be displayed in the lookup. If you select Mahindra here, all the models in the Mahindra table should be shown here. If you select another Hyundai here, all the models in the Hyundai should be shown here. That's the requirement. That is field fixed relation. And let me synchronize. database synchronization completed. Now you will be able to clearly see what I'm explaining. Okay. Okay, open table browser and also this one, open table browser, also open table browser. First we'll fill the respective model company's data. Data we have already have valid. Data we already have data here. And we don't have anything in Hyundai. We don't have anything Mahindra. Tata. Tata we already have data here. Or save. Okay, let me add data here. ID 0, model name, Mahindra Bolero, launched year 2008, 2005. Save. New, ID 1, launch year Mahindra XUV 700, launched in the year 2014. Two XUV 500, model name 2013. Save. New Scorpio, model name somewhere around 2003. Just saved it. And also we come to Hyundai and the launch year I-20, launch year something model name I-20, launched year 2001. New one. Let's give 2002 I-10 and new launch year 2003, 2013, Creta. Save. What all we have? MG launched year somewhere 2018. MG Hector. Save. We have data and we'll have one more thing. 2021 ZSC. Save. Now go to table browser. Just refresh it. So I have created a relation only for Tata. Here, select Tata. Only Tata related models are shown here. But if I add Mahindra, no, nothing is shown. Cannot open a lookup from its current context due to insufficient metadata because I haven't linked the other tables to the vehicle table. So let's see what we have to do here. Yesterday we did it. But again, I'll show you. In the relations, I just created a relation, and then this is a normal relation we created, and then I created a field fixed relation. Field fixed relation. So again, let me take you to that. Field fixed relation. Field fixed relation D365F&O. Yeah, this is what we saw yesterday, right? Field fixed relation. Just always refer to these guys. The best Microsoft documentation is the best documentation, right? Field fixed. Table field is equal to enum value, right? So I open this. I open this. Now in the same table, because in the vehicle table only you want to see the table, the company related information, the car company related information. So what you have to do, you have to create one more relation. Let me rename this. This is Tata. Let me add new another relation and rename it as Mahindra. As soon as you add a relation, properties, open the related table. What is the related table? Mahindra. That's it. And Mahindra. Here, another thing is first we need to have a normal relation. Normal relation. Then only lookups can be seen. So normal relation on what? We want lookup on model. Related field. Model name. Model and model name are mapped. Same thing here. And now we will create a field fixed relation. In this field fixed relation, what does the Microsoft link say? Table field is equal to enum value. Here the table field is equal to enum value. Enum value is 0. 0 or 1. So it shows the values. The table field you have to select. Table field what? Manufacturer is equal to enum value is Mahindra. So now whenever we select Mahindra, clearly observe guys, whenever we select Mahindra, all the models related to Mahindra will be shown. That's the idea here. Same way, we create another relation for what are the company we have Hyundai. Again, I'm repeating the steps. Hyundai and related table is NJ Hyundai. Okay, and need to have a normal relation first. Normal relation with model and related field is model name. Then we can have field fixed, and field fixed field name is manufacturer, and it is Hyundai. Again, we'll have one more table left. New relation F2 is MG. Okay, and related table is MG, and need to have a normal relation. Field is manufacturer, sorry, model. We want lookup on model, and related field is model name. Then we'll have new field fixed. Here field fixed related thing is manufacturer. The value is MG. I'll quickly build. Control Shift B, build shortcut. It's happening. We'll complete. Synchronize. The database synchronization completed. Now we'll open vehicle table browser. Can see I haven't selected anything. If you selected Mahindra, you will see Mahindra Bolero. I would have entered wrong data here. Where is Mahindra? I changed the year names with the model name. Let's quickly update. Relax. Here. X. Seven. Okay. This is here. X. 2013. It doesn't matter anyways. Let's not create confusion. So then save it. So where also did I do the same? Launcher, this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. On the correct. Save. So again, you see updated. Now if you select Mahindra, Mahindra related data will be selected here. Again, if you select Hyundai, only Hyundai related models will be shown here. And if I select MG, this is because we are violating the primary key. Primary key is set as ID, so it won't allow duplicates in here. Okay, and new 3 MG. You will see all the models related to MG here. The price or something. Save. So this is fixed field. What is this? This is fixed field. Fixed field or field fixed. Okay, we are fixing the field here and then showing the relevant data related to that field. So to recap, what we are going to need in order to create field fixed relation in the related table. In the related table, you need to create relations. Relations. And you will have main master data here. And okay, I'll list out the steps. First, you need to have an enum. Enum for what? Enum for what? Enum for manufacturers. Because here, as per Microsoft, we need to have an enum. Here, our enum is manufacturer. Okay, it is one not. First, we need to have an enum. Second, we need to have a normal relation. So for each and every relation, first you need to have a normal relation on the field where you want to look up. Here we were displaying model name. Want to look up here. So model. And then we will restrict the manufacturer field with the enum value. That's what exactly say. We restrict the manufacturer field on the enum value. That's what we did exactly. Restrict the record selected in the primary table. Only the records that meet the condition are selected and the condition is ended with your relation. It's what we are doing. Okay, that is it for the field fixed relation. We have another conditional thing. Okay, normal relation and then table field equal to enum. This is field fixed. This is field fixed. Now we have another relation, related field fixed. What is it? It is exactly the reverse of this functionality. Come on guys, you just have to pay a little concentration here. People won't explain this properly. It is exactly opposite to this. What does that exactly opposite mean? So here we have individual data of manufacturers here in the respective tables, but in the lookups we are showing the data from the parent table. Let me add shapes here. Here it's coming like this. It's coming like this. It's coming like this. If you have the clarity of expression here, it will be very easy to explain to the interview or your team leader. See here, data is coming to the related table from the parent table. And if you are looking at this related field fixed, it's the other way around. We have main table, we have child tables. The data is coming from main table to child tables. Shapes. Data is coming from main table to child tables. And again, here also we need to have an enum. A step enum. Let's put it here. First we have enum. Again, normal relation. Here, enum value is equal to table column. The same thing. Let's quickly do the utilize the same environment here. It's the other way around, I said. So let me quickly here the relations also relations exist. Here the relations exist in the this table. You observe this relations are created here. This said it's the other way around. Here relations are created here. Main table, vehicle table, master data. Master data. Oh, let me quickly um, here relations created here. Relation is created here. Just observe, guys. People gets confused mainly here. Where to put the relation? Where to put the relation in the main table or the dependent table. Here in the field fixed relation, we create the relation in the related table, in the single table here. But whereas in here we create relations in the below table. Okay. Let me quickly modify the existing project so that we won't waste much time. So the relation should be created in the respective tables. I'll use the same tables, guys. Let me create some data here. Before deleting that, I'll have all the data here. Data here, right? Next one, save. Okay, close. This is it. 4, 5. Safari. New. 6. Model. Indica. I think Indica. 7. Bunch. New. 8. Mahindra. Bolero. New. 9. Mahindra. Is 10. Mahindra. Scorpio. Again new. Select on the here now. I-20. Right? Creta. New. 13. MG. Actually, we have only other thing to do. So we have all the data here. I'm just making use of the existing data. I'll save the data. Now, according to the description here, what I said in the vehicle. Let's say this is Tata Mahindra. Like here. Previously we have data table vehicle. Just by looking at this diagram itself, you'll be understanding more, guys. Diagram and this data will help you while preparing for the interviews or anything. Okay. Earlier we have relation here. Now we don't want relation here. So I'm deleting all the relations. Delete, 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 delete. So I don't have any relationships anymore. Relationships anymore. Now we have to create relations below tables. Tata Mahindra. Let's do that. How do you create the relation? By following the Microsoft standard related field fix, right? Enum value is equal to table field. Let's do that quickly. NJ Tata. Let me save this. NJ Tata. Here relation, you have to add relation here. New. Essentially, yes, what I did is earlier we proved that with the this thing By putting the relation here, we had our field fixed. Now I removed this. What I just did was removed this relation. So if I remove this relation, what will happen is you won't have anything here. They're just normal tables like this. Now they became like this. I haven't created these relations like this. Understand? Now the tables are unrelated in the database now. What they are in this is earlier we have relation, now I removed relation. Now the tables are independent currently, right now. Now I'll add a relation in the respective tables so that it will be like this. Now I am adding relationship, new relation, and this is Tata F2 data. What do we need to do in the properties? Related table is it's the other way around. Now ANJ vehicle. ANJ vehicle, and here we need to have a normal relation. That's mandatory. And the related field is same again, model name. Related field is model. And now here you need to have related field fixed. As soon as you added related field fixed, it fixed the position of the enum. So first you need to give the enum value. See, first you need to give the enum value, then the table field. Again, I mentioned the same thing in the OneNote. First the enum value. First the enum value and equal to table column. So the same thing we are going to do here. Enum value, table field, related field is manufacturer. The table value is Tata. Right? Just save this and we'll just build this and then see, and then we'll apply to other tables. Let me build this. It should be done. And synchronization, let's synchronize. And we'll see what we have covered so far. Normal relation, field fixed relation, related field fixed relation is conditional. And there is this thing, foreign key relation. This is left and this is required for other the following sections. So I'll remove this. The foreign key relation I'll explain later. After this, right after this. So are we done with the synchronize? Completed. Let's quickly refresh this. Refresh this. We want only Tata. Here you will be confused, so I'm deleting the existing data. Yes. So if I click on new and I say something 2013, here you will see all the data related to Tata only in the Tata table. So this lookup is coming from vehicle table, but we mentioned in the table we mentioned in the Tata table that we want lookup on model name, but we want only Tata related information. That's what related field fixed. We want lookup on model name model, but we want only records from Tata. That's exactly is happening here. We want lookup on model name, but only related to Tata. So here we have many models. These are all unique models, not repeating, non-repeating models, but we are only seeing models related to Tata only. Again, we'll do this as an exercise here. Second time on Mahindra relation, new relation to Mahindra. And what's the first step? Just see. Uh, First step, normal relation. Enum, we have already created enum. This is the second table. So the another next step is normal relation. New normal relation. Normal relation for lookup. Where do you want to see the lookup? So here we need to select the related table first. Related table, ANJ, vehicle. And field is model name, right? Model. Here we want to look up on model. Model name. So next we'll have related field fixed. The enum is fixed. Related field is manufacturer. The value is this is Mahindra. So I am fixing it to Mahindra. The same thing we do to other tables. Inject data are done and the relation. I'll quick fastly do that. We don't have much time. Have to. Right? Normal relation. Related table. ANJ on the normal relation on field. Model name. Model name. Nav. New. New. Related field fixed. Related field is might not have selected the correct table. Related table is ANJ vehicle. Vehicle. Model name. Related field is model. vehicle related field is manufacturer, value is Hyundai. Save it and we'll do it for MG also. Relations, new relation after MG. Okay. And we need to select the properties here. Related table is MG vehicle. MG vehicle. This again new. First we need to have normal. Field is model name. Related field is model. New. Related field fixed. Related field is manufacturer. Now enum value is MG. Let's quickly build it. It should be done. Okay, and synchronize. We're almost done. So this is it, guys. I'll ask Shiva to share this. Share this on your WhatsApp. If not, remind him. Shiva will share this. The pictorial representation is very good for understanding. Now we are doing this. Running behind the schedule. We need to speed things up, guys. I'll think from now on we can go. I think you have enough basics here. So next thing we'll cover delete actions after finishing the foreign key relation. So let's open that. Synchronization complete. Now again here I'll refreshing it. Here you have something. I'll delete everything. Delete. Delete. Yes. And delete. Yes. Now we have seen earlier the Tata related records, right? Earlier launched year 2018. The same way again, Hyundai. You should only see data related to Hyundai. Done. And in Mahindra, if you click on new, you'll see data related to Mahindra. Done. And in MG, you should see data related to MG. That's it. We've created field fixed and related field fixed as well, both. So these are the diagrams which will help you in understanding this. Okay, this is it. Now we have to cover there's one more thing here. Foreign. Tomorrow we'll briefly see foreign key relation, and then see delete actions. Delete actions are nothing but small actions when you perform any delete action. When you perform any delete operation, it checks some conditions. These are the things actually. Okay, let us go back to syllabus. We have syllabus. What we have covered so far: environment, UDTs, indexes, relations. Relations we have covered so far. Foreign key is pending. Then delete actions. We'll see it tomorrow. Okay, guys. Have a good day. Try to practice this because without practice you get lost. You get lost and you don't be able to understand this. Try to imagine this picture. It gives a clear idea. Also, see the Microsoft documentation. You have to you have to be habituated to read Microsoft documentation. That helps you a lot. Okay, have a good day. Bye.